So this is a Bosch Dome Camera, and to take off the cover to be able to put the SD cards in, first you just have to pull this dome cover off. There's 2 screws in here. They are star bit and they're security bit, and they're a size T15. So you just get a T15 bit and then just reverse those screws to be able to pop it off and then pull the cover right off. Once the cover's off, you're going to look for the SD card slot. And if you look at this little symbol right here, that's for an SD card. So the SD card is actually going to go right on the side right there, and that's where we pop it in. And the SD card should go face up, and you just insert it into the slot, slide it in. If the SD card pops out at all like this where you can see it, just click it until it's all the way in and stays there. And when you're putting the cover back on, some of the Bosch cameras are going to have a microphone located right here. So when you're looking at the cover, just make sure that that pinhole is going to be going over where the microphone is. And then you just put it back on, tighten those screws, and that's it.